Hello everyone, our today's video is about working with Sprite. Sprite is any object in your project. Like suppose you are trying to make a game. In that case, the objects of which you will require in your game is your Sprite. Suppose we are going to make a football game. In that case, football is required, participants is required, or that goal court is required, ground is required. All these are called Sprite. So first we have to learn how to insert a sprite. You see one sprite is already there. This is the default sprite of Scratch. Whenever you will open Scratch, this will come by default. If you want to remove it, you can remove it. If you want to keep it, then you can keep it. First we will see some of the properties over here. Like here first, sprite 1 is written. This is sprite name. Suppose I'm keeping this character in my game or story, and I want this character name is Chinku. So I will type its name Chinku. Okay. Suppose in my story three cats are there, so name should be different, na? So how I will remember which one is which cat means I can write there. I can change their name with their character name. And next is size. Here you can see size. I can reduce its size and increase its size also. Like here I will type, it is written 100. I am going to type 50. Then the size is reduced by half. I will make it 300. Then it will be triple of the original size. Okay. Next direction is there. When I will click inside the direction text box, this arrow will come, circle and arrow will come. If I will hold this arrow and I will rotate it like this, so it will be, the cat will be rotating. Suppose I want to face it down, then upside down I want this, then I can rotate it from here. Okay. So and exact degree also I can type here. I can rotate it by using this also, or I can type exact degree also here. Like I am going to type 120, so it will be rotated by 120 degree. Total 360 degrees are there. Okay. And the next, x-axis, y-axis. We will do the detailed study of x-axis and y-axis in the coordinates video. Now I will type in means short. This is x and this is y. If x and y is 0, then the object will be placed in the center of the page. I'm going to reduce its size, then you will come to know. Okay. Now see, it is in the center. This is your sheet, which will be appearing in the new run view. So it will be placed in the center of the window. This part won't be appear when you will run your story or game. Only this box will be appearing in the runtime. So suppose I will type in x 50, so it will move 50 step to the right. Okay. If I will type in y 100, it will move 100 steps upward. So by using this you can set its position, but by using mouse also you can set its position. Like I will hold it and I can drag it anywhere, wherever I want to keep it. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about this button. Whenever I will keep my mouse on this, one menu will be appearing showing 4 options. I will click on first one, upload sprite. By clicking on this, it will ask me the path of the sprite. Path of the sprite means location where it is stored. Suppose on desktop it is there. I will click on desktop and this one picture I am going to select and open. Then that picture will be inserted into my file. See, the earlier sprite is here and the new one is here. I can reduce, it is very big. I'm going to reduce its size. Okay. Now 2 sprites I'm having in this. Then again I will go on this. Then I will use this paint option. In paint option you can draw your own sprite. Suppose you want to draw a heart or any other picture you want to draw, click on this, and here you see paintbrush is open. Options are there, you can draw your sprite. Okay, color also you can choose. This is just same like your paintbrush. Outline color also I can use. Outline size. Now I'm going to draw a square. Okay, one more square. Only this one I want to do. So now this sprite is inserted. Again I can reduce its size also because it is very big. Okay, now come to the fourth one option. Choose a sprite. Some sprites are already inside the scratch. You can choose one from them also, like in PowerPoint clip art was there. In clip art some clips were there. In the same way, choose a sprite will open a list of the sprite which are already existing in the scratch. I'm going to click on this. Many sprites are there. Here categories are there. All, animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, letters. Okay, I can choose any of them. Suppose I want a girl. So here I will type girl. So it will show this. Okay, one more sprite I can insert from here. Now I want food. No, sports I'm going to choose. Okay, I want a bowl. Okay, then balls will come. You can select any of the ball. Suppose I'm going to select basketball, or referee whistle is also there. I have selected whistle. Okay, surprise. In surprise anything will come. The fourth option is surprise. In surprise anything will come. Like I will see any sprite from the list will come. Earlier this came, now this one. Okay, so this is all about working with sprite. How you can insert a sprite, increase the size, change the name. Okay, in next video we will do working with of backdrops. I hope you all got it. If you are having any kind of doubts, you can comment me. I will reply in the comment, or you can suggest me in the comment what kind of videos you want. Now I will upload day by day different videos starting from basics to programming. So subscribe this channel and hope you like it.